Then reaction mo lang daw sa sinabi ni Heaven na you're one of the best directors. This early, may ganun na.
Nakita ko yon, kinilig ako. Pero I would like to contribute that to, well, these two directors that I've worked with this year, na since sila yung pinaka-huli kong trabaho bago ako mag-direct, to Direk Irene and Direk Noel, I saw a lot of pointers from them na minsan marirealize mo in directing, hindi mo kailangan maging academic about it eh. It's about experience, it's how you want the project to be seen. But at the end of the day, it's teamwork. Mahusay. I'm so blessed with the best team I can have for this project. Kaya parang hindi na po ako masyadong nahirapan to really mount it. And then sasabihin ko lang how I want the scene to be shot. This is my vision of the scene. And then they will work around it na po. So, and then pagkatapos po nito, pag nagka-time ako, baka doon ako pumasok sa film school to even broaden my knowledge about directing.
Okay.
Pero director ka na rin.
Parang, sige lang dito girls. Ano po, parang sa ngayon po, papunta na rin doon kasi binigyan po ako ng liberty ng head writer namin to revise on the spot. Na sige lang din kung anong sa tingin mong tama at akma dun sa mga nakunan, you can revise it.
So, co-writer ka rin.
Hindi ko po kukunin yung credit na yun dito, Alan. Sa kanila po yun. I'm just there to solidify everything, yung clear yung vision ko about this and the vision of the whole team about it. Kailangan yun lang yung maipakita natin with this film.